The earning potential of AI images is truly limitless, and in this video we'll show you how to take advantage of it. From image recognition to natural language processing, we'll explore how AI image is transforming the business world and opening up new opportunities for financial success. So stay tuned till the end of this video not to miss any important part.
Have you heard about PeakToDream.com? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you turn yourself into a personalized digital image or even create an image of someone else. All you have to do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself or the person you want to create an image of. The AI will do the rest. The generated images are pretty cool. They can be used as your profile pictures, printed on canvas, or given as gifts to your loved ones. And the best part is that it's super simple to use. Just follow the steps and let the AI do its magic. The training process can take up a few hours, so you can relax, grab a coffee or go for a walk, and when it's done, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can get creative and create the most stunning images of yourself using the site's gallery of tips for inspiration. I know you're concerned about privacy, and so is PeakToDream.com. They understand the importance of keeping your personal information secure, and that's why all the photos you upload are deleted from the server after 1 month. The site includes detailed information about privacy policies and terms of service, and if you have any questions, the contact information is readily available. The AI technology behind PeakToDream.com is genuinely cutting edge. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the photos you upload and generate a digital image that resembles you or the person you're trying to create an image of. The generated image is so realistic, it will blow your mind. You'll be able to see how you would look with different hairstyles, outfits, and even accessories. It's like a virtual try-on without having to try anything on physically. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless with PeakToDream.com. You can use the generated image as your new profile on your social media platforms and watch as your friends and followers react in awe. Or you can print the image on canvas and hang it on your walls. It's a unique and personalized piece of art that will brighten up any room. Another great thing about PeakToDream.com is that it's a fantastic gift option. Imagine giving your friend or loved one a beautiful digital image of themselves printed on canvas. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that they'll treasure forever. So go ahead and try PeakToDream.com. It's a fun, light-hearted way to play with your imagination and see yourself in a new light. I guarantee you'll have a blast. Have you heard about DrawAnyoneAI? This fantastic AI-based tool allows you to create custom portraits of anyone you want in any way you can imagine. It uses a combination of 5 to 10 photos of the person to create a unique AI portrait customized to your specifications. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, you can even customize your AI portraits with all sorts of fun cues. For example, you can have Jesus riding a unicorn walking on a rainbow in the jungle, or portrait with isolated colors with sharp dark comic outlines. The tool is all about giving you the freedom to let your imagination run wild. But that's not all. DrawAnyoneAI also has a community page where you can see portraits that other users have created and shared. It's cool to see all the different styles and techniques people come up with. You can even create AI portraits of your pets. How awesome is that? The portraits created with DrawAnyoneAI are just breathtaking. They come in various styles and techniques, such as digital portraits, pop art paintings, and even oil on canvas. And the resulting AI portraits are highly detailed, with vivid colors and intricate details that will make your jaw drop. Some of the portraits created by DrawAnyoneAI are just incredible. For example, there's a colorful portrait by KAWS, airbrushed on canvas in pastel colors and cel shading, 8K Pixar style. Or how about a portrait of a mythical folks demon with ornate and intricate facial features, a flowing and smoky design, symmetrical and sharp focus and bright colors. This portrait was created using Unreal Engine and Octane Render with elements of anime art and non-Nodoroid figures by the Good Smile Company. There are also portraits of toy figures with intricate detail, atmospheric lighting, bokeh and photographic realism in 4K. And if you're in the mood for something a little more fantastical, there's a portrait of an ugly monster with spikes on his body, purple skin, and gold armor against a battlefield backdrop. Artists create these portraits like Greg Rutkowski, Dan Mumford, Art Gurm, and Peter Moorbacher with great detail, sharp focus, and alien elements. If you're an art lover, you'll appreciate the portraits featured on popular art platforms like ArtStation and DeviantArt. There are garbage portraits, hyper-realistic paintings of attractive men, pictures of genies with Islamic tattoos, a handsome man in a leather harness, and even a highly detailed, retrofuturistic cyborg infographic from Popular Mechanics magazine. And that's not all. There are portraits of origami paper sculptures, a highly detailed and ultra-realistic illusion of Saint Sebastian's martyrdom, a realistic image with fangs and long hair, a statue of a necromancer with a cyberphone, a two-color trippy conceptual illustration of 1960s LSD, a portrait of a Victorian-era master, and even a tourist visiting lizard man cultists. Last but not least, there's a neon light sign in the shape of a gorgeous woman with a detailed face, hyper-realistic and studio quality. This tool truly has something for everyone, and I can't wait to see what you can create with DrawAnyoneAI. Have you heard of Avaton? It's this fantastic avatar creator that allows you to make a 3D avatar of yourself just by using a selfie. And the best part is, you can customize your avatar to your heart's content. You can choose different body types, hairstyles, clothes, and accessories to make it look unique and exactly how you want it. But wait, it gets even better. These avatars are fully rigged and game ready, which means they are easy to animate and can be used with significant animation software. Plus, Avaton offers easy integration into Web, Unity, and Unreal applications, which is great for game developers and other creators who want to use avatars in their digital worlds. When you create your avatar, you even get a GLB file that makes it easy to integrate into your project. And the customization options are endless. You can make your avatar look exactly like you, or you can get creative and make it look completely different. The possibilities are endless, and you can use your avatar in any digital environment you can imagine. Plus, you can stay up to date with new features and supported apps and games through the Avaton newsletter. What's even more remarkable is that Avaton is entirely free to use, and they offer lots of helpful resources, including documentation, a Discord channel, and a LinkedIn page. So whether you're a seasoned game developer or just someone who wants a cool avatar to use online, Avaton is worth checking out. Avaton also offers easy integration into web and other applications, and the GLB file that is provided when an avatar is created makes the process seamless. This feature is a huge advantage for game developers and creators who want to use avatars in their digital worlds. Plus, the Avaton newsletter keeps users up to date with the latest features and supported apps and games. In addition to being a fantastic tool for game developers, Avaton is also an excellent way for people to represent themselves online. Users can create avatars that look just like them or that reflect their personality and style. This is especially important for people who spend a lot of time online, as it allows them to have a virtual presence that feels authentic. Now let's talk about In3D. This platform is also a fantastic option for creating photorealistic 3D avatars. Unlike Avaton, In3D uses your cell phone camera to create a 3D model of yourself. The process is quick and easy, and you can customize your avatar with various clothing and accessory options. You can also create groups with other users and communicate with them, which is excellent for people who want to connect with others in virtual space. The avatars created with In3D are also instantly available for integration into digital environments created with Unity, Unreal Engine 4 or 5. This is a huge advantage for game developers and other creators, as it makes it easy to use these avatars in their projects. And just like Avaton, In3D is an excellent way for people to represent themselves online and have a virtual presence that feels authentic. Overall, Avaton and In3D are fantastic tools for creating realistic and customizable avatars. Whether you're a game developer, content creator, or just someone who wants an excellent virtual representation of themselves, these platforms are definitely worth checking out. And the fact that they're both free to use is just the icing on the cake. Have you heard about AI Photo of Me? It's a super cool online photo generator that uses the magic of artificial intelligence to create personalized profile photos for its users. And let me tell you, it's unlike anything you've ever seen. So here's how it works. You simply upload 10-20 of your favorite photos, and the app uses its AI algorithm to analyze your features and preferences. It then creates a custom profile photo tailored just for you in one of the 100 styles available. Can you imagine having a profile photo representing you and your personality? Well, now you can. The best part is that AI photo of me is super easy to use, even for those with limited technical knowledge. The app's user-friendly interface makes creating your custom profile photo a breeze, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even purchase additional styles to switch things up. The options are endless. But don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself. Marko Pekas, an independent developer from Croatia, developed the app. All data is securely stored in the United States, so you can feel confident that your information is safe. The app promises to remove photos and user data within 7 days, and the payment process is secure. If you still need to get more satisfied with your purchase, you can request a refund within 14 days. And let me tell you, the results are nothing short of amazing. Users have raved about the app and the personalized profile photos it creates. The AI model accurately captures your unique features and preferences with stunning precision. Whether you're looking to revamp your social media presence or just want a new profile photo, AI Photo of Me has you covered. But the app's benefits continue. Not only does it create personalized profile photos, but it also saves you time and effort. No more spending hours scrolling through your camera roll to find the perfect photo or spending money on professional photos. With AI Photo of Me, you can have a stunning profile photo in just a few minutes from the comfort of your home. So, if you're looking for a fun and unique way to spice up your profile photos, AI Photo of Me is worth checking out. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking for a convenient, personalized, and affordable way to create profile photos that truly represent them. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to stand out online, AI Photo of Me is the answer. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today and join the thousands of users who are already loving their new profile photos. Have you heard about Animal AI? It's the fantastic AI tool that allows you to turn your photos into portraits of animals created by artificial intelligence. It's an enjoyable and unique way to showcase your images. So the process is pretty simple. First, you get to choose from 40 different styles of animals, including popular options like cats, dogs, tigers, and unicorns, just to name a few. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even choose the Grinch. Once you've selected, you upload 10-20 images to train the AI. These images should include a mix of close-ups, medium shots, and full shots taken in different lighting conditions, and with different facial expressions to get the best results. And the best part? Within 24 hours, you'll receive 120 HD quality animal portraits via email. You can share the link with your friends and family or keep it as a fun surprise. Plus, Animal AI donates all of its profits to reputable wildlife groups, so you're not only getting a fun experience, but also supporting a good cause. When uploading your photos, ensure they are more significant than 512 on 512 pixels and feature only one person. And to avoid any issues, be sure to steer clear of pictures that are nude, black and white, or taken without consent. And keep in mind that the AI-generated portraits may be unpredictable, so no refunds are offered. Animal AI is not only an entertaining tool, but it's also a great way to showcase your creativity and imagination. Imagine having a portrait of yourself as a tiger or unicorn. How cool would that be? The possibilities are truly endless. Another great thing about Animal AI is that you don't need to be an AI or computer science expert to use it. The user interface is simple and intuitive, and the process of uploading photos and receiving your portraits is straightforward. And if you do encounter any issues, the customer support team is always available to help. And as technology advances, the AI used by Animal AI is constantly improving, ensuring that the results you receive will only get better and better. So whether you're looking for a fun way to showcase your photos or simply looking for a unique and creative way to express yourself, Animal AI is the perfect tool for you. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to showcase your photos, head to Animal AI and try it out. All you need to do is agree to the terms of use and then upload your pictures via WeTransfer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other similar service. And with just a one-time payment, you'll be on your way to creating your own animal portraits.